I said, yeah, Alaska. He's a young
Oh
school,
yeah.
y'all. Don't get Alaska started. You hear me? He gonna say, boy, that ain't shit.
Like, let me show you youngsters how to do it real quick.
Okay, yeah, say y'all. Don't get it twisted. Hey, he gonna make me. I'm about to drop that shit, Alaska. Yeah, I'm about to drop that shit.
Yeah, that'd be
Yeah, I'm
fun,
about to
man.
drop it on my channel. Look at this. Look at this old school acting like a young school. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to drop that shit. Show them how to really go down.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah,
I'm gonna have to
show them
make
how.
some new ones come this winter. I'll have to
Y'all,
make some new ones.
y'all see
So
the moon? Look at the moon. It's just a head. Yeah, right there. I don't want to point it because I don't want a big ass. They say you can get it up under your eye. I don't believe that shit. Y'all see it right there. It right there.
it's still light out here. It's
I
cloudy and
that's
rainy, but it's
wow, y'all look. I'm in the future. He's in the future, y'all. Look at this. How the hell is dark over here and this light over there, y'all? I told y'all. See, he know the. Hey, y'all. He know the lottery numbers. Yeah.
hell yeah.
Hell
That's
yeah.
you know it.
You need
We gonna get
say
rich.
y'all. He need to tell us the lottery numbers, y'all. Yeah, he in the future. Yeah, he's in the
Oh
future.
my lord.
Can y'all see this shit? Look at this shit. It's dark. He got what the fuck? I could look all around, y'all. Do y'all see any light around this motherfucker? Where the hell he at? Do you hear me? Look at this. I don't see no light where the hell. What the fuck he at? It's part of town. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. I don't see this shit nowhere. Do y'all see this shit? No. I told
We
y'all
got
he know the lottery numbers. Do you hear me?
we
Yeah, he
got
tell us the
sunshine coming over there.
yeah, but it ain't over here yet.
No, not yet.
Oh shit! Yeah, he need to tell us the lottery numbers. Shit, we need to get rich for real. What's the pick three numbers over there?
I'm just gonna I'm gonna give you the Powerball. If we're gonna do it, we're gonna go for it
Hell
all.
yeah, we got to go to Powerball.
Yeah,
Woohoo! Bars. Y'all
make it
we
worth
ain't
the
playing no
while.
game.
So
Hell yeah, we aim for the big ballers. Big ballers. That don't sound right.
I'm trying to. Yeah, we're the icy nutters. The
Bars. Ah, he
icy
the icy
nutters.
nuts.
So,
I'm the hot nut. He the icy nuts. I'm the hot nuts.
oh my lord, I might
Bars,
be
cause he
coming there for that school this winter sometime
Texas nuts.
in Dallas Fort Worth. I might be going to a school for a week down there this winter. So we'll have to get together if I come down. So
Man, yeah, say what's up or some shit, cause you already know I'm like a choo choo train working, but shit, hey, what's up, my bro? Shit, let's go. Bars.
we'll be like, you can start a live, and then I'll just kind of poke my head around in there.
God, who the fuck is this? He
They'll be
out
like,
of
cooking done
hibernation.
got a cooking. They'd be like, cooking done got him a white boy. What's going on? So
He hibernated. He came out of hibernation. I told y'all. See, we got the
he
real ones.
gave
They come
cooking.
out of hibernation.
He
Yeah,
gave cooking the Powerball numbers. He won the Powerball and then went and bought himself a white boy. So
I told y'all, man. Yeah, he gonna make my channel get some more views. Yeah, I got a white boy
yeah,
now.
oh yeah,
Y'all
I
say
got a
hi.
white boy.
Y'all say hi. That's my co-host.
oh shit! Oh shit!
Yeah. See, when you do it like that means you moving on up. So y'all don't
Done
see
bought him
me.
an
Y'all might see
icy
him.
nut white boy.
Bar, aka Icy Nuts. Yeah, no cap. He famous. No cap. Yeah, he famous. Yeah, we
That
the best.
last that one short that I did that's been doing really good is up to almost I think right at 140,000. But I've gained 1,000 subs off that one short video, dude.
That's what's up, bro. See, they don't
A
understand, bro.
thousand.
See, that's